Hello, so I created a book database here. This is the script I prepared to create the database. And when I run the book table, the query of the book table, it gives me there are two books. So these are the table. This is a table in the database. Let me take you to the application itself. Start. Okay, so here is the application. I can sort this is a display. I can sort by name, last name, book. I have price here, cost, ISBN. So this is a book store application to sell books. The status bar here shows the total inventory price of the selected book. This is a product of the price times the quantity column. So we see so here I can modify, delete. So intelligent. So for example, double click, I can open the modify window. So instead of 10, I will change it to 20. It should, and it's updating that to 20, the quantity here. If I don't select anything, the context menus are disabled. We can see that here also, context menu. So I use the tab menu to, I added this tab menu to create a new window. So here I click here. So I'm just gonna put, and this is the basic political. So here I filled in the information for this particular book. I add that book and it shows here. So there's a display. I added book. So I can modify this book. I will just change the quantity from 12 to 20, and it should show me 20. And I'll just show delete here. Delete this. Delete, and it deletes that author. It deletes the book. In terms of the database, so we see the list here. So I will update, and it shows me Jean Rousseau and Benjamin Graham books. In terms of features, I have the status bar that shows the total inventory, and then the tab bars and the menu. So I can exit to close the application.